Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our sock. You're going to put your hand inside the sock. Inside. And you're going to turn it inside out like this. Okay, inside out. Now, we're going to take the little piece of cardboard and we're going to glue. I have the hot glue on one side and on the other. Make sure you get your mommy or your daddy to help you. We're going to put one on the bottom. And then we're going to close it. One on the top. We're going to push it down like this. Okay, push it down. So this is going to make the mouth, okay, that opens. Now, once we wait for it to dry, okay, we take our sock and we turn it again, the right side out. Okay, there we go. And we've got our little mouth, okay, for the puppet. Okay, now we're going to make the eyes for our little puppet. So I'm going to take my pom-poms. I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here and attach the eye, one eye. Now I'll make eye number 2, 2 eyes. Okay, and now we're going to glue it on top of our sock, just like this. And we push it down and we let it dry a minute. Okay, now if you want it to be a girl and you want to make some hair or a nice little bow, what you need is some ribbon. You take some ribbon and you're going to, look, just wrap it around your fingers like this. Wrap around and around and around a few times. Then with your scissors, you cut it. Okay. Here we go. Then I close it in the middle. I take another little string and I'm going to tie it. I'm going to make a little knot. Maybe you can get your mom to help you. I'm going to tie a little knot here. Okay. There we go. Okay, sorry if you can see that. Okay, once you have the ribbon like this, you just cut on the sides and on the other side. And we can just cut a few little strips. Snip, snip, snip. Snip and snip. There we go. Okay. And now I'm going to glue the hair on top of the sock. Just like this. Okay, so it's right here on the top. Perfect. Super. Now, if you want to decorate your little puppet, I decided to use little heart stamps. Okay, little heart stamps. So now I can glue my little hearts all around my sock. This is going to be a very lovable puppet. So I glue on the hearts. There we go. Okay. Okay, now if we want to add a little tongue that comes out of your little puppet, you just cut a little piece of red paper, put a little bit of glue, and just put it right inside here, right inside the mouth. And voila! Your little finger puppet, your sock puppet is finished. Let me put the other one on my hand too. Okay, boys and girls, so here are my 2 little friend, the sock puppets, and they love to give little kisses too. So enjoy and have fun making your little sock puppets. Bye, bye, bye.